Big Brothers Big Sisters has been making a difference through the volunteer efforts of caring members of the local communities. The Lunch Buddy program is a continuation of this mission, enlisting high school and college students along with others to provide support and friendship to elementary and middle school students during their lunch period.
It's an opportunity for our volunteers to spend 45 minutes a week with a child during the school year. They are matched with a child and go to that child's school, have lunch with them in recess, spend some time together, and just learn and grow together. Once the school year is over with, they do not meet, and then they join back together again in the fall.
Do all the things that we used to do and see how nothing's really changed, and it's just fun to talk to them and everything.
The thing that I like the most is, I get there right in my lunch hour, and he's already there at the front door waiting for me, and it's just got this big smile on him, and it's like, yeah, it's kind of, I'm making him smile like this. It's kind of cool to think back on.
It was my last day seeing my lunch buddy in Delavan, and she wrote me a letter, and she told me that, I'm her sister, and we're going to be sisters forever, and I'm the best lunch buddy she's ever had. And her just thanking me, I didn't realize how much of an impact I was making on her life. I spend 1 hour a week with her, playing and having lunch, and just knowing that you've made a difference in someone's life and that they've made a difference in yours is great.
When they're like, oh, I forgot you're coming, and then they've got a huge smile on their face. And then also, he would be excited. Mine isn't a great reader, and he was very behind on reading. And then I tell him, if you want to go off for recess and play every week, you gotta get better at reading, and you gotta go to bed earlier because he was staying up late. And then he'd come back and be like, oh, I read this much this week, and I'm getting better. And it was exciting to see the improvement he made just by me being there every hour. And him looking forward to that hour each week, how important it was for me to be there, and how that little time made such a big difference in his life.
When I get there, I just see Javen, my little brother, watch his face light up and get all excited, and then he becomes real talkative and telling me everything about his week and his weekend, and that's the best thing. And this last time I talked to him, I went and saw him. That's the last time we were gonna hang out for this school year, and he made me a card and talked about how he's going to miss me, and he's had a great semester and can't wait for the next year, and that was great.
The teacher came up to me. She saw me before my little did one time when I was visiting at the school, and she's like, I'm so glad you're here today. She's been asking about you for the past week, and that was really exciting. And then a few weeks later, I found out she had been having troubles keeping up with her schoolwork, and for a few weeks in a row, towards the end of our relationship and the end of the school year, she actually got caught up and stayed on top of it. So instead of helping her with her homework during Lunch Buddies, we got to play games, and so that was really exciting for me. Yeah.
You'll make a difference in a child's life, and you will be surprised what a difference it will make in your own. Contact Big Brothers Big Sisters today to learn more.